Hi, this is Josh from Development Team Number 1. I'm the team leader on the queue management feature team. So this week, I've been working on some aspects of the current features to make sure that we can delete patients after they're checked in, and delete patients after they're checked in, and modify the delete function so that it saves statuses correctly. Some of that has been a little bit frustrating to deal with. Currently having trouble getting some of the changes to stick here. I had tried to delete the records right after the end of this portion, which is the transition back to the check-in page. It wasn't working from that method, so currently I'm thinking that I will probably have to maybe think of a different method to actually delete this. I'm maybe thinking a different way, just to index the queue spot page in the first place. Maybe just make it determined a little bit by status of the queue spots. So we can make it so these visits, when they're checked in from the visits, that does automatically change their status, and we can just detect that and then choose whether to display queue spots based on that. Fix some bugs. I was working with making these checking queue spots come up more consistently, and it seems like it's doing a pretty decent job right now. I ended up tweaking a little bit of some of the extra code that I had sitting around that I've been working on, and I think that might have helped. I haven't had a problem with it for a little while. And then I had to fix something that I kind of broke last week, which is that pressing the check-in button would not populate the patient field correctly. You can see this load up right now. But yeah, mostly it's been a lot of work on that front, but making a little bit of progress. Also tried to work on my VM to make it a little bit less laggy. Still pretty laggy, so I'll probably just try to find a different way to run Help2Run. I also tried to make it work on my other Linux machine, and I wasn't quite successful, so I might just maybe wipe my Linux machine or create a separate Linux partition and do it that way. Maybe we'll just have a separate Ubuntu one, because that seems to be the distribution that hospital recommends. Anyway, that's where I'm at for this week. Thanks, bye.